Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find empty servers on Roblox for free. First of all, you will head up to your browser's settings, go to extensions, manage extensions, Chrome Web Store. Here you will be searching for BTR Roblox. Here, BT Roblox. Okay, making Roblox better. You add it to your browser. For me it's Chrome. Once it's added, it will say it. Okay, now you will head off to Roblox. You will log in. Once you are logged in, you will go to any game you wish. Let's check Car Crusher 2. We head over to servers, and right here we'll head to the last page. It will start searching, it will do a lot of search, and here we will see a lot of empty servers or nearly empty servers, which are 3 out of 18 people, which is just a few of them. For example, here are only 5. And also check out for the ping, because ping is also important. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you very much. Goodbye.